and I install the sway bar back in, but the sway bar link I don't have it, you know. I'm order from the dealer. I will get it on Monday. So when I get the sway bar link, I'm gonna show you guys more, okay, how to replace the sway bar link and the steering knuckle too. The knuckle already bent, but I don't have part yet. So Monday you guys can see more video for it. So when I just install temporary for it. Put the temporary. I don't have the part. Yeah, Monday I get a part. I show you how to change the sway bar link both sides and the knuckle, and the car is good to go. I already told the customer you need to do alignment, you know, like your car got accident. Okay, this is all set for control arm. Then I go back to the strut. Let me pull all my parts. Okay, let me put the car down there, but finish up the front strut. That car got hit on the driver's side front. It's almost done. Let's see here, let me show you. You see the strut bolt? Right now easy to install it right now. It's not hard like before. Put the bolt in, lower and upper. Knock it. And put the nut back on. Brake hose. Yeah, it's almost done, guys. Yes, let's tie this one up. All set. Yeah, it's all set, everybody. Yeah, from start to finish for front driver side strut and low control arm. It's all set to go right now. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.